Hey guys, Beth here, long time no see. I'm here to update you guys on my Panner's Pan Project Pan. I know there's a lot of other projects I need to update you guys on, but I'm going to start here because I have a couple of empties, and the other ones, I'm not sure if there's a guarantee of any empties. So the first item for the Panner's Pan is, well, first of all, Cookie Pans created this. She is now Shining Happy Pans on Instagram. Her name is Elizabeth, and I'll have her down below, her Instagram. But yeah, so I had already panned Banana Soufflé, which was a glow recipe moisturizer, and yeah, so that was done like a long time ago when I started this. But I still have in Paula, a beauty guru, made me do it. I still have her in, but I actually hit goal on the product that I put in for her. She's been working on Lunch Money. I don't have Lunch Money, but I do have Whipped, and my goal is just to hit pan. So here it is, and you can see the pan right there. It's a really nice little pan, and I might roll this into another project later, but for right now, I am working on another highlighter, which will come up in just a minute. The next item is for Valerie VMRT. It's a SGX spray for your hair. And let me grab that real quick. Okay, so here, this isn't the same spray that she had. The one that I have is the Beach Texture Spray. But the one that Valerie used in a project, I can't remember what project it was the 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. So yeah, I am about right here. I think that's where I was last time. I haven't really used it still, but I did plan to use it this summer. It is now summer, so hopefully I'll get some good use out of it. I just dyed my hair a little darker today, so we'll see how that works out, because I like to have my hair light in the summer, not this dark. But I have some awards coming up on Thursday to give to students in front of a bunch of people, so I decided to dye my hair just to, you know, change it up a bit for that. The next item is for Jessica Lee. A while back, I want to say like 3 years ago, they all tried, in the Fantastic Ladies, they were trying to pan the Carly Bible palettes, and Jessica had the original, I think, and then Amanda had the deluxe. I have the deluxe. So my goal is just to have no pan left behind on this. I have today I did use it. I used this shade here in my outer V, and then I used this over the lid. And so I have these 3 eyeshadows still to go. And then I use this on my cheekbone, so it's really bright highlight. I use this in my inner corner of my eyes. And then so I just have these 2. So I have 5 left for Jessica Lee, and then I'll be rolling this out, and they're like the 5 hardest for me to use, but we'll see. I think I can have it done by next update. The next item is for Pretty Pistol 86. She hasn't really done any panning videos in a while, but she was the first YouTuber I saw panning, and I was like addicted to panning after watching her channel. But I put in the Urban Decay eyeliner, and this is in Perversion, and she'd always like pan these Perversions and Zero, the black eyeliners. I can't sharpen it anymore. It kind of like twists when I turn it. I do want to say the Essence brand has a really nice sharpener that helped me use it up faster, because I was able to sharpen my pencil better, and so I was able to use it up. So that is 1 done, or actually 2, because I hit goal and then I finished this up. This will be in my year-end empties. Marilyn Solis, I finished up the face powder from this e.l.f. quad. Now I had already mixed, I have 3 of these, and I mixed and matched like the colors, the blushes, the face powders, bronzers, and I think there's one with highlighters. I can't remember, but this was just like a cream face powder. I used it up, and I'm so excited. I have a powder out. I'm almost done with, I think, 2 more face powders. One I tried to repress just now, and it was a disaster, so I'm letting it dry up because I put too much alcohol, but we'll see how that turns out. I did want to roll it in for somebody I'm rolling into this project, but since I made a big mess, I'm going to roll something else in for that person, but you guys will see at the end who that is. The next person is for Laney. Now, Laney, my goal was no pan left behind. I hit that goal, but then I wanted to keep Laney and this palette in a little bit longer. So I'm trying to hit pan on Vermeer. And I feel like I'm really close to hitting pan on Vermeer. You can see there's a dip. I've been putting it in my inner corner as a highlight. It's really light for me. So it is kind of like something I do every now and then. I don't do it every day. Yeah, so hopefully I'll have it out by the next update. I think I could hit goal by the next update. We'll see. But I do want another pan this year. And if I can, I'd like to actually maybe use up a whole pan this year in this palette. But yeah, that's my Modern Renaissance palette. Next, I have Chic Geek. I love her. She is so sweet. I have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette for Chic Geek. She's on YouTube, and I'll have her link down below. Now, I haven't used any new shadows since the last update. So far, I've used 4 eyeshadows in this palette. I wanted this palette so bad. Finally get it, and I don't even want it. I don't use it. I don't reach for it. So it's kind of sad that that happened. The next YouTuber is Ceylon, and her channel Ceylon Loves Makeup. I put in a bunch of little mini perfumes for her turn and burn, because she does like a bunch of turn and burn stuff, and perfume is one of the categories. Now the first one is the Skylar Vanilla Sky. I used it up. I put 10 items in. One I can't find. It's a MAC Fix Plus little spray. Either it's on my desk or I threw it out with my last empties, but that one was used up. And then the Vanilla Sky by Skylar, I would consider purchasing this. It smells really good. I love the smell of vanilla. The next one is Versace's Bright Crystal. I have it right here. I haven't used it yet, so she's still in for this project because I haven't used up Bright Crystal and like one other one. The next one is Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue, and here it is. It was a nice scent. It kind of reminded me of kind of like an aquatic scent. I don't think I would purchase it. I don't mind getting the samples, but I don't think I would purchase that. Then I have the Reserve Lush Fleur, which is this one right here. I don't recall it. There's a tiny bit at the bottom that I can't get out. So I'm considering this done, and I don't think I would purchase it because I don't even remember what it smelled like. Then Today I'm Wearing Love by Kilian. It's Shy, Don't Be Shy. And this one smells pretty nice. I gotta wear it a couple more times. I don't know if I would purchase it, but it has one of those scents where I feel like it would last, you know, like all day. Like it feels like it has a thicker oil to it of the scent, if that makes any sense. The next one is Acqua Di Georgio Armani, and that one is this one here. I don't recall it, so I don't think I would purchase it, but that one is all done. And then I have in Flor Street. I did enjoy Flor Street. I don't think I would purchase it though. It does smell nice if you like floral perfumes. But there it is. I think I'm more into like the gourmand scents, not florally scents. So like I like vanilla and coconut and things like that. The Max Fix Plus was finished. I don't have it here. And then the Dolce & Gabbana is this one here. And I used it all up. And then I have this one that snuck into my group. It's Valentino's Donna Born in Roma Coral Fantasy. I wouldn't purchase it, but I did use this one up as well. So total I've used up 3, 6, 7 perfumes. 8 with the one that's missing, and then the MAC Fix Plus, so that's 9. And then I still have these 2 perfumes too. The Bright Crystal and Love by Kilian. Don't Be Shy. Okay, so that is that. So I I'm definitely going to be done by the next update. I just dropped a couple of them. I'll be done with that. The next YouTuber that I have is Jen with Project Beauty. I left it in the bathroom. Let me go grab that real quick. Okay, guys, so I had to go and get, actually, I was looking all over for, it's for Jen, Project Beauty, she had, can't speak, you guys. She had panned Becca's Vanilla Quartz highlighter. Now, I don't have Vanilla Quartz. It would be way too light for me anyway. So I do have Champagne Pop though, and she had panned like a mini. I have the full-size Champagne Pop. My goal is just to hit pan. I have been using it ever since the last update, and I have a good dip going in there. I feel like I'm going to have pan by the next update, so this one will be rolling out probably by the next update as well. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So far I've used it, let's see, about 22 times. So yeah, I'm doing some, I don't know, I'm making some good progress there. Okay, so I am rolling in 3 new people. I haven't written it down like all the way. I couldn't think of anybody, so I went to Paula's channel and I was like, who does she have in hers? She has Daylin and Steph Lyons, so for Partners in Cream. So I went in and I went to Daylin's channel and I found something that she has that I also have, and I've been using this, so I'm so excited that she has it in her Project Graveyard or Graveyard Project Pan. And I haven't joined that one. I'm so like out of the loop with all the projects this year. I did it last year, Graveyard Project Pan. I did Partners in Cream last year, and I wish I could do them this year. It's just I've been so busy with work and stuff. I missed the boat on those. But for her Graveyard Project Pan, she has the It Cosmetic Bye Bye Foundation. And it's so funny, she was saying hers expired in 2021. Well, mine expired in December last year. So mine's expired too. It has SPF 50, so that's probably what expired. But I have been using this. I do enjoy it. I have the shade Medium Tan. And my goal will be, I don't know, to use it all up. Last year I used up about 4 foundations. This year I haven't used up any. So I think I'm going to roll it in to use it up. Actually, no. This year so far I've used 1. I used the Saturday Skin Cushion Foundation, but you know, those don't have a lot of product in them. So I'm going to try to use this up this year. I also have the Prieto BB cream that I've been using, so that is taking the front seat to this, but on the days I want more coverage, I do go for this one. So there's that. For Steph Lyons, I remember like the first Partners in Cream, she panned some cream shades in her Natasha Denona palette. It wasn't this one. This one's the Cupid Cheek Duo. I don't know if she's panned this one yet or if she has it, but I wanted to roll in the blush in this one. And when I was bringing it over to my bedroom, I dropped it and the highlighter like moved and I had to press it back into place. So the highlighter is so like shiny. And because I'm using the Becca right now, I'm not going to roll that in, but I am going to try to hit pan on this cream blush here. And I've been using it as well, like here and there, and I really do enjoy it. I like it's a pretty pinky color, just like a mid-tone pink. So I want to hit pan on that. And I've used this palette or this duo maybe like a handful of times, so it's pretty brand new. So I want to use that and hit pan on it for Steph Lyons. And last but not least, Rebecca S. I love watching her channel. Like her, Paula, Danny, like all these people I've mentioned are like people that I'm like click as soon as I see them pop up and I watch their videos. So I don't have what she has. She's working on a Bath and Body Works fine fragrance mist. Now hers, I think she said was the scent Roses. Well, I don't like florally scents, so I'm gonna use my Sunset Glow, and it has a coconut scent. I've been using my Beach Walk by Replica like crazy lately, and it's going fast, and I don't want to use it all the way up because I mean it costs a lot of money. So I'm gonna try to wean myself off of it and use this before this goes off and goes bad, because I do have a Bath and Body Works that's in the scent Pineapple that my neighbor gave me, and it's gone off, and I do want to use it still just because it was a gift. My neighbor gave it to me. Even though the scent's gone off, it almost smells like alcohol. But I didn't want to use that for this project. This one, I'm going to just use it as much as I can. Maybe use the whole thing up. That would be great, because I am going through my perfumes like crazy right now. And a body mist will, you know, help supplement that for now. And that is it, you guys, for my update on my Panner's Pan Project Pan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a like, consider subscribing, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.